Bruising my heel, you've treated me with impunity, but my faith is in the Almighty. You're gonna reap what you sow. 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 So many lives you've torn apart, left their future pain and scar. But God protects the meek and lowly.
Indeed. Good afternoon, loving people. Good afternoon, Marlon Barkley. Good afternoon. Actually, this is not really a show. This is to tell the people them about a hotel called Legend Hotel in Jamaica. Yeah, this is not for entertainment purpose. This is real truth. And I want to tell the world, whenever time you choose is to go on holiday, stay away from this hotel called Legend Hotel in Jamaica, Negril to be exact. It's a disgrace. I'm telling you people, it's a disgrace. Share it, like it, tell your friend them. Don't let what happened to me happen to you. I'm warning you. Don't pay £2,500 to get embarrassed, to be cheated as a subhuman. Good afternoon. My loving people want to share this because Legend Hotel in Negril, Jamaica is a disgrace. Seriously, it is a disgrace. And I will never apologize for that one. It is a disgrace. And I want to tell the world, stay away from that place. Stay away from that place. Yes, turn off the light. Let me see something. I can hardly see the thing on the screen. Turn the other one off. Yes, people, we are talking about this disgraceful hotel in Negril, Jamaica called Legend Hotel. Put it back on. Yeah, loving people, good morning, good afternoon, good whatever you're experiencing at your neck of the wood. If you're planning to go on holiday and vacation, please choose your destination, choose your location, and choose your accommodation carefully. Right? I promise you that I will speak about Legend Hotel and I will give you evidence of what I'm saying and of what transpired. Okay? Right. So here we go now. This is the disgusting nasty pool. This is the germsy pool. You can see it. I hope you can see it. Yeah, that is the germsy pool. The pool is full of bacteria. Yeah. That's one. Two, this is the bedroom. Oh, I wonder what happened. I can't get facility. What happened, man? I can't see it on the screen properly. Wow, what's going on? Anyway, loving people. That is worse. I need the people to see exactly what I'm saying. This poor old man now, look at what he's doing. Look at what, alright, let me start from beginning. Look at what's happening in the bedroom. In the bedroom. I wish if you guys can see it as I'm seeing it now. Look at what's happening in the so-called bedroom. Look at what's happening in the bedroom. The gentleman is sweeping water, gallons of water out of the bedroom of the hotel. Can you imagine? Yeah, the bedroom is scooping out gallons of water from the bedroom. Have a look. Maybe you can see the man scooping out the water. I don't know. Can you see it? Turn off our lights. Let people see it. If them not see me, I don't need to turn off them little. Turn off them. Yes. Yes, people. Yes. I'm telling you, this gentleman is scooping out tons of water. I can't even see. What is going on? I need them to see what's going on here. And I'm not going to stop until people see what I'm trying to say to them. Trust me. Because this is disgraceful. Can you see? The gentleman is scooping out tons of water. Gallons of water from the hotel. Have a look. Whole heap of water coming from Legend. Something on the projector or something. Yes, there he is, scooping out tons of water from the hotel bedroom. You can imagine, people. Yes, Show guys, big up yourself. Let us start from beginning again. This is the Disgraceful Legend Hotel. Disgraceful Legend Hotel. Look at what happening now in the hotel room. Look. This gentleman that you see there, he's sweeping out gallons of water from the hotel room. Eh? There's a flood from the toilet bowl. Flood. I don't know how that happened. Only God Almighty knows how that happened. Look at the bucket. Look at the bucket. It's full of water. Can you imagine? Look at the bucket the man have in his hand. Full of water. From the toilet bowl. Legend Hotel, a place where you should be enjoying your vacation. Look at the bucket in his hand. It's filled with water. And whole heap more water need to take out. Same way. Have a look. Yeah, man. Have a look. That's Legend Hotel in Negril, Jamaica. Disgraceful place. Don't go there. Please, I'm asking you guys. If you don't want disgrace, if you don't want disgrace, don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. I'm telling you, don't go there. See, he's carrying the water from the sewage, from the toilet, from the bedroom to outside. Can you imagine? Look at that. Okay. That's one. Look at this one now. Those are my suitcase and stuff like that. Here another woman have to come and assist getting the water out of the hotel. And I'm going to post this on Facebook directly to you know. I'm going to post this on Facebook directly because I don't think the people can see it so good. There's another woman sweeping out water from your hotel room at Legend Hotel in Negril. Stay away from that place. Please, people, I'm begging you. Don't let disgrace come down on you. Don't let nothing come down on you. Just stay away from that Legend Hotel. Look, the woman is sweeping out water from the floor, from the sewage, from the toilet. Talking about bacteria, talking about germs, talking about uncomfortable things, talking about all the bad things that's happening. 6. See the man going under the bed and all in place, you know, scooping water from all over the place. Look, you can see it for yourself. Yeah, we're talking about Legend Hotel. Dangerous and disgusting, disturbing place. You must not go to that place. That place is disgraceful. Seriously. It is not that place that you should go. It's a disgraceful place. If you're thinking of going on holiday, please avoid that place. Because you might end up embarrassed. Loving people, we are talking about the Legend Hotel. A disgraceful place where they advertise a beautiful picture for you to believe it is good as it said. But the truth is,
this is the toilet water now.
It is not good. Look, have a look.
Outside the property. It looks like rainwater. That's how much water has come from the toilet. So I'd like to enter the property now, but as you can see, I can't step anywhere without stepping onto the liquid. So I'm going to try my best to walk along the side.
I just want to call it Legend Hotel. Disgraceful place. Sick place.
She's coming. She's called her. I made a big fuss, so they're coming.
Big disgraceful place.
They said, oh, you know, there's not one person
Legend
that is...
Hotel in Negril. Disgraceful place, my friend. I can tell you that's a very disgraceful place. Disgraceful to the fullest. I'm telling you that. Disgrace to the fullest. That place is so disgraceful. Legend Hotel. I'm telling you. So you need to understand, if you're going on holiday and go to that place, you're gonna be in shame and embarrassment. I said embarrassment. Seriously, you will be shame and embarrassed. Stay clear of Legend Hotel in Negril, Jamaica. Stay clear of that place. It's nothing. There's nothing about that place. It's a disgraceful place. And my loving people, I must warn you. I must tell you to stay away from it. Yeah, they have no respect for people. This is the disgraceful pool, swimming pool. And this is a gentleman scooping out water by the gallon out of your bedroom. That's me still hiding from water on this stupid bed. Yeah, I should have pissed in that bed when I leave it. I should just take out my wood and piss in that bed and stink it up and leave. 3 days later, they would have to change that mattress. Unfortunately, that thought never come to me at the time. Yeah. Disgraceful place, man. Nasty, good for nothing place. There's a gentleman scooping out water by the gallon from a hotel. A so-called bossy hotel where them say, oh, we are legend, we're this, we are that. Stay away from the hotel. Stay away from it. Yes, people. I don't have no ill feeling, no grudges. But the truth is, I didn't get that respect there. So I'm telling the world, just stay away from that so-called legend hotel in Negril. Look at the bucket in the man's hand. That's sewage water coming from the toilet. He's sweeping out sewage water from the toilet. Yeah, you have to have any gloves and stuff like that because everything is contaminated. Everything is a disgrace. We're talking about a legend hotel in Negril. Stay clear of it. See the young lady have to come and assist him now. Sweeping out gallons of water from a hotel room toilet. Flood out. No compensation, no respect, no appreciation, nothing. Eh? No appreciation or nothing. No, people, I'm telling you, stay away from all we get from those losers is something like this. Yeah, man. The so-called legend hotel in Negril is a disgrace. Please stay clear of that place. Look at the pictures and tell me if you're not happy. You go on holiday, you want to go on vacation. Would you like, share it people, share it. Would you like to be on holiday and end up sweet flood in your room, disaster come down, no respect, no appreciation, nothing but humiliation and embarrassment, and these low-class Jews people talking to you as if you're begging them a favor when you spend £2,000. Eh? I said I don't need to share this if I don't really love decency, if I don't really love nice life, if I don't really love goodness. Share it. I'm asking you, share it. Share it. This is Legend Hotel in Negril. So-called Jews own hotel. They are disgraceful. They are out of this world. Look, the man is taking water from underneath the bed. Look there. From underneath the bed. Worthless ass hotel. Sewage water, the toilet overflow and some nastiness going on. I have to hide my thing properly on the bed and somewhere all over the place to survive. I'm asking you, my people, share it, send it all over. I want this thing to go viral. Yes, send it out, send it all over. Look, I'm not making up anything. This is what happened at the Legend Hotel in Negril just recently. Less than a week ago. Share it out there. Let me show the slide 6 now. Look, this is outside.
The toilet water now outside the property. It looks like rainwater. That's how much water has come from the toilet.
So you see what happened? Disgrace. Disgrace. I tell you, this is just disgraceful. Disgraceful of the highest level. Legend Hotel. Water everywhere. And you can hear the young lady talking what she's experiencing. Yeah, disgrace. Look at water everywhere. Like a flood from the toilet. I'm telling you people. This is just to disgrace them and expose them and let them know that, oh my God, this can't be a hotel. Trust me, this have to be a dog zone. Yeah, man. This cannot be a hotel. This has to be a dog zone. The zone of a dog. But then taking £2,500 from people to accommodate there. No way. Be careful when you're going on holiday, where you went to and what happened. See, the gentleman is pushing out water like a... Look water I'm pushing out. Look how much water he's pushing out with the broom. Have a look. And share it. I won't have to repeat this for the next... How long? Yeah, man, this is the Legend Hotel in Negril, which they boast they are a good hotel and so and so. And it's a disgrace. Look how the man is pushing out water from the bedroom. From the toilet. Talk to me. Tell me if you don't believe that is okay. Tell me if you don't believe that is real. Tell me if you don't believe that is something any human being should go on holiday and experience. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. I'm asking you. And I want you guys to share it. Send it out there. Don't make the mistake and go to Legend Hotel in Negril. Don't do that. You go there, you'll be totally humiliated. And these Jews, dirty ass people, they just go on as if... Look at the bucket. Look what water the man have in the bucket. From the sewage that flood the bedroom. Eh? Look how much water you have in the bucket. Come on. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. Talk to me. Look what happened. Disgrace is pushing out water from the bedroom, from the toilet, from the bedroom. Look at that. I need you to actually share this and send it out there, that the management can see it and the hotel industry can see it and everybody can see it. This is the front page of the hotel. This is the front part of the hotel, and try to make it look good. Yeah, this is the wooden chair that they have at the front part for you to sit and talking about. You can get comfortable, and they try to make it look as if they are, you know, nice place. When you go to the front part, it look good and nice, so to speak. But when you get in, the judgment just start right there. Legend Hotel, see name, Legend Hotel Resort. What now? I don't say hotel. Legend Hotel Jamaica. Right? So go to the next slide now. This is the dirty pool. I wouldn't enter this pool because once I see the room is like that, I stay clear from all the verbiage. I wouldn't enter. The verbiage I wouldn't enter. Beautiful white sand beach in Negril. I'm scared. Have a look, my people, for yourself. See the man push out water. Whole heap of water out of the hotel room. Look. Look how the man push out water out of the toilet bus. No compensation, no respect, no proper treatment. These losers don't want to give people. Look how the gentleman is sweeping out water. Ain't by the bulk. Have a look. Sister Nicola, bless up herself. You see the disgrace? Yeah.
Anne says, wow. Anne hates Rose says, wow.
Yeah, look at that. There's a hotel room. Should be like that. Toilet coming over into the room. Toilet overflow coming on into the room. And all them stuff there. No. After we talk to the manager with respect and decency, all he can talk about, I'll give you something, I'll give you some food. Who want food? Do I look like I go on holiday to be compensated with food? Look at the bucket of water the gentleman have from the toilet that flood the floor. Look at it. Share it, Mr. Share it. Legend Hotel should be exposed and disgrace. Look at the bucket he has with the water from the toilet on the floor. He's taking it to throw it away. Look at it. Legend Hotel. So one of that woman have to come and help him here. Look. And that woman have to come and assist him because it was too much for him alone. In the early morning. In the early morning, the toilet flood the whole place. Look at that. Shanja Hall. Bless up yourself, my friend. Bless up yourself. Bless up yourself. Yeah, so this is the legend, the great legend hotel in Negril, Jamaica, with the disgrace. All the disgrace they have there. And take your money, try to abuse you, tell you they can give you one night dinner for free because of the inconvenience. I don't need dinner. Don't come off of me food. I'm not a licky wanga good person. I went on holiday with my money, so don't offer me dinner. I can buy my own food. Come tell me, oh, sorry for where you got you, but I can give you a night dinner for the inconvenient. No way. It's a disgrace. Can't you see it? Yes, see the young lady that push water out. The toilet come up. The water come up from the toilet all the way through, come through and flood the whole place. I have to hide from water on the bed with my bag, my luggage and everything. To keep my things them intact. That mean my stuff them don't get contaminated and polluted. That's where the Legend Hotel. The young lady sweeping out water from the floor, toilet overflow or something like that. You know? Everything have a ice up. Water about 4 inches tall. The Legend Hotel in Negril. What a disaster. See the gentleman I go underneath the bed, underneath different places, trying to get water out of the Legend Hotel. Look there. Look, have a look. Tell me if that's really nice. You went on holiday, pay £2,500, and this is what you get, and then they can't tell you, so they give you food, they're not refund you, they're not giving you back no accommodation, they're not, you know, compensate you for the inconvenience or refund you for the remaining nights. After me decide to spend 2 weeks with them, I have to cut my destination and went to somewhere safe for the health and hygiene of myself and the team. You can imagine? Legend Hotel we're talking about in Negril, Jamaica. Norman Manley Boulevard. See, look at the condition. Have a look. I'm not lying. Have a look. See the gentleman. They see them there fighting hard to get rid of the sewage water from the toilet. Yes, see the gentleman trying his best there to get the water away from the toilet. Because the place is in a bad condition. Yeah. Look. This is outside now where the water pouring outside like a rain. This is outside. Have a look. and see the disaster, the disgrace. I want to share it. Legend Hotel must pay for this. And when we're done, I'm going to put it on Facebook, I'm going to put it on Instagram, I'll put it everywhere. I will be putting this everywhere until the world know that Legend Hotel in Negril need to do something better. Come offer me one night dinner, and you can't even get no special food you have to get from the buffet. And I was like, whoa, me not win that, me not come here for licky. Then am I so hungry and desperate that you want to compensate me for that inconvenience by giving me one night dinner? No, man, I went to Sundance already, Jamaica, and something went wrong. I see some cobweb in the room, and I call the woman, and she call the manager. And the manager said, listen, man, I'm going to make you stay for free here because it's our fault, and that girl going to suck. I said, no, don't suck her. The man saying going to make you stay for free because I find cobweb in the place. I say, I'm never comfortable. The way you boast about your hotel and all them stuff there. And all of a sudden, I find cobweb in the place. And she said, no, you know what, we can solve this problem. Don't worry. You can stay here for free. For the night. And I say, oh my God, what a wonderful gesture. What a good deed. And dirty legend, stinking legend in Negril, come tell you that they want to give you a night dinner only. No man, my belly might big and I might look like me greedy, but trust me, me not so greedy. Me not so greedy people. You can't come on for me one night dinner. We don't need that. Me say we don't need that. Because we never go there hungry. We never go to legend. We are begging people and asking like, oh God, I don't know what I'm going to eat tomorrow. No. Seriously. So I'm telling you, big and serious people, have a look for yourself. If you think that I'm lying, and I want to upload all of them, please, to Facebook, and I want to upload it to Instagram and every YouTube, all of them, every social media, and write Legend Hotel Disaster. My experience at Legend Hotel. That's all I have to write here. Yeah. So the world see that now. We can go move on now and go to our show. People, we can move on and go to our show. So what we're gonna do now, I believe the world see that, my people see that. I'm gonna close this small talk and start off with my show now as usual. Cause you know, we have to teach them a lesson and we know that they are disgraceful. And you know what? I choose hotel and they don't even cheat our people or your sister, your mother, your grandma, your aunt, your cousin, your friend, your relative with respect. You understand? Sad. It's alright. Let me left off of the worthless hotel now and just move on. That is a hotel, or that's supposed to be a hotel called the Legend Hotel in Negril, Westmoreland, Jamaica. In the tourist resort. Don't let them trick you. They're advertising beautiful place and wonderful thing and everything is so immaculate. But the truth is, nothing immaculate about them. It's just a disaster, just a trap. So please, if you want to enjoy your money, if you want to enjoy your holiday without it being ruined, please, 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 I'm begging you, go to somewhere else. Don't go there. Don't go there. Stay away from the Legend Hotel in Norman Manley Boulevard in Negril. Stay away, stay clear. And there's a sister hotel, but the truth is, I don't know nothing about sister hotel because I didn't go there, I didn't see them, I didn't understand. We didn't have no business with them, so I don't know. But you can almost judge and assume that if the mother don't turn good, the daughter not turn good, or if the sister not turn good, the sister not turn good. But then again, that left to speculation. Yes, son? Yes. The loving people, all we get from those good for nothing people is just sorry, and we can give you some dinner to eat. That is not enough.
Is all that you can say. Years go by and still the words don't come easily. Like sorry, forgive me. It's all that you can say.
gonna reap what you sow, legend. You're gonna reap what you sow. Legend Hotel, you're supposed to suffer. Right now, you're suffering from cancer. The manager is suffering from cancer right now, but that's another story.
Hey, that I feel how you've oppressed and bruising my heel. You've treated me with impunity, but my faith is in the Almighty. You're gonna reap what you sow. 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 So many lives you've torn apart, left their future pain and scar. But God protects the meek and lowly. Cut down the proud and lofty. You're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. Oh, you're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. Take it away. We wrestle now against flesh and blood, but against Satan who strikes like a flood. He's disguised as an angel of light. Soon he's gonna fall from his heights. Oh, you're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. Oh, you're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. Oh, you're gonna reap. Oh, whatever you do in life, that's what you get out of life. Oh, one more time I'd like to say to you, gotta be careful of the things you do, because you're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna
Definitely, the Legend Hotel should reap what they sow, because that is insult to any human being. And I can tell you, my friend, big up yourself, my brethren, my friend, Silared, yeah, whatever her name is, I can't pronounce it. Yeah, big up my friend, all the people from South Africa, keep it real. They're gonna reap what they sow, in all truth and all honesty. That hotel is a disaster. And if you have the one money, the £2,500, and you go down there, you will suffer. You would suffer. You shall suffer. So be careful if you try to go to Legend Hotel. The good news about it, it wasn't an all-inclusive hotel. I didn't get a package for all-inclusive. I would suffer severely more. But God help me, we can just relocate to somewhere else and say, forget it. You know? And then got dirty man that talk about can give a dinner on the night. As if I look hungry to him. No. Big and serious. They gotta reap what they sow. The loving people, share it, send it all over the place. That is the Legend Hotel in Negril. No good place. No go there. No go there. Don't waste your money. Don't give your advertisement with some fancy looking place and you say, wow. When you go there, you're gonna see something totally different. It's on Norman Manley Boulevard in Negril, Jamaica. Yeah? Big and serious. So that's it for now. And I'm gonna do my show. I'm gonna just get off the slide and come back. So please, if you want, you can come back with me and we have a conscious conversation talking about Jesus Christ, the true and only God. You understand, people? Yeah. So that is it now. We're gonna get off it now. So see you on the other side in about 20 minutes or so.